All right, we'll go ahead and finish up our last subtraction one. Remember, line up your decimals. I recommend, since this one has 3 numbers, to do 2 numbers at a time. That will help you with borrowing. Sometimes if we do all 3 numbers at once, we don't end up borrowing right. So we're subtracting. 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 7 is 1. Drop your decimal point. 6 minus 5, you can't do that. This becomes a 4. We borrow. This becomes a 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. And 4 minus 0 is 4. Then we go ahead and go down, drop our second number, line up the decimal points, 22.7. We're subtracting again. Drop your 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. 1 minus 7, you can't do that. This becomes an 8. This one becomes an 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. Drop your decimal down. 8 minus 2 is 6. And 4 minus 2 is 2. All right, moving on to multiplying decimals. Remember, multiplying decimals is a little different. We don't line up the decimal points. We line up the last number. So 32.12 times 1.2. We're multiplying. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 3 is 6. We multiplied by that first number, so now you can go ahead and cross it out. Drop your 0 down, and we're going to multiply each number by 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. Now we go ahead and add those together. 4 plus 0 is still 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 3 plus nothing is 3. Now we count our decimal points. In the top number, I have 1, 2. In the bottom number, I have 1. So down here, I move a total of 3. 1, 2, 3. And I get 38.544. All right, keep on going with the next one. 4.28. Remember, we line up with the last number. 21.3. That's a little off, but it's okay. 3 times 8 is 24. My 4 goes down. My 2 goes up. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. And 3 times 4 is 12. All right, we go ahead, cross that number out, drop your 0, and times everything by 1. 8 times 1 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. And 1 times 4 is 4. Cross your number out. Now we drop 2 zeros. Remember, 2 zeros. And times everything by 2. 2 times 8 is 16. 6 goes down. 1 comes up. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus the 1 is 5. And 2 times 4 is 8. Now we go ahead, add all of those together. 4, 8 and 8 is 16. Drop your 6. The 1 goes up. 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. And 9. count my decimal places.